This is the Vodify Multitool. Mine came with this handy bonus tool. Fit it in your wallet or just in your pocket with this handy sheath. The multi-tool comes with a solid pouch. This is a nice looking black solid piece, not plasticky at all. I like the design, the included drill screw bits that sit on the back sheath, and all the functional tools included. My only con for this multi-tool is it does take a bit of time to get the tools off or out of the multi-tool. You got to really kind of pick at it to pull it out. You may also want to sharpen the blade a little bit. This is a great value, and I recommend it for its price.